Thanks everyone for joining me on this digital video. Today we'll be discussing how to record audio using various hardware and software. Let's get started by taking a general look at all of the recording gear you will need, both hardware and software. First, there is a mixer. The mixer provides the sound engineer with inputs for microphones or instruments. Some mixers are large, some are small, like this one. Next, you will need several cables. For microphones, you will typically use XLR cables. For instruments, you will typically use 1/4-inch cables. Another cable that is often dismissed is a standard stereo cable. This will be used to connect the mixer to the next important piece of hardware, the USB audio interface. The USB audio interface connects your computer to the mixer. The interface takes the lead role in converting your analog music into a digital form, taking the load off of your computer's processor. The next major component would be the microphones and instruments. Here is a condenser microphone, used for vocals or acoustic instruments. Here is a dynamic microphone, used to record vocals or put in front of an amp to record electric instruments. Here are a few instruments used to record: a keyboard, several guitars, and percussion instruments. Now that all the hardware, cables, and instruments are accounted for, we need to take a look at the software. There are many forms of sound recording software. Some are expensive and extremely advanced, while some are cheap or even free and offer limited recording capabilities. In our case, we're going to look at a low-budget software called Mixcraft. Once the instrument is connected to the mixer is connected to the USB audio interface, and the USB audio interface is connected to the computer, Mixcraft will recognize the hardware and you can choose it in your recording device. Once selected, simply click the record button to use your instrument. To stop recording, click the record button again. From here, you can cut, copy, paste, or delete selected tracks. You can also record on top of the track you just recorded by simply selecting the track below, setting the USB interface to the recording device, and then hit record. Once you have all of your tracks recorded, you need to finish your song or audio recording into an MP3 file. Click File, and then scroll down to Mix Down to MP3. This will complete the song or audio recording and allow you to share it to any one of your friends. If you are not finished with your recording, simply click File, then click Save. This will save the recording as a Mixcraft file, not something you can share. This should be all of the hardware, software, and information that you need to record a song or other audio recording. There are more details related to each individual instrument. There are also more specific details about each piece of hardware, but let's save that for another time. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot about recording audio today.